Paano kumanta using falsetto? Singing in falsetto requires you to have vocal range that includes high notes, which actually not everyone has. We also have to consider the gender. Pero kung mataas na yung range mo, you still have to produce enough air and learn controls. Now, to show you the technique na alam ko, you need to understand first these voice registers. Pero hindi natin pag-uusapan lahat. Eto lang. Let's go! I don't need to explain more about chest voice because the way you speak with your normal voice, that is already called chest voice. Now, to find your falsetto, try this technique. Basahin yung instruction. Ready? Ano naman ibig sabihin ng head voice? Iba yun sa falsetto. Follow nyo ko for that.